Have you got your electric bill through yet? It absolutely sucks how much I'm using when I don't even have the heating on half the time. January is one of the worst months on record. The January blues is a very, very known and big thing, and it absolutely sucks. Hello, my name is Oliver, and I'm currently recording 100 videos for 100 days of 2026, and today we're going to be talking about surviving January because it's hitting everyone. We've spent far too much money at Christmas again, even in this current situation, but then again everything's gone up in price. Relatives probably don't appreciate the presents we've given. We probably have some ungrateful kids kicking about as well. And here we are, saying we've got too much month left at the end of the money. It sucks. The motivation for this month sucks. The bills are going higher. We don't want to do as much because we're just dead. And there's just very little breathing room to grow right now. It's okay. We all feel the same. We're all going through the same thing at the moment. And every single day I'm struggling financially. I'm sure you guys are too. It's just how it is. Now, this isn't about cutting out the £3.50 lattes or whatever you guys pay for your Netflix subscription. I'm not being a financial guru right now. I'm generally just talking about how not just me, but the rest of the world feels. We're probably waiting for rents to go up, for our mortgages to go up, to find out that bananas are now £7 for 5. That's probably what we're all waiting for right now. And I, for one, am not looking forward to it whatsoever. It absolutely sucks. I just feel like everything is continuously going up in price, and this year's going to be difficult. It's going to be really difficult. I want to be in a different situation, I guess. I really enjoy my life, and I enjoy being a father, and I enjoy everything I'm doing, but financially it's a struggle. Yeah, I have to pay rent, I have to pay bills, I have to support my child, and every single day it's getting more difficult. In this January, it adds up, you know. The January blues are a very, very real thing, and I don't know how I'm going to deal with it. I don't know how you're going to deal with it as well, because the mentality is we need to be doing more. We need to pay off Christmas, and we need to do a lot better things. For me, at Christmas, I went down to go visit family, and I was doing this and that, and obviously then there's New Year's, and all the money's gone, and then we've got things like Valentine's Day and Easter and birthdays and everything coming up, and it's just a never-ending cycle. Things used to be so much cheaper, and now they're not. And January, on record, I believe, is the brokest month ever on record out of 12. But it is the brokest month, again, because of Christmas. It's not just Christmas. Obviously, other religions have other holidays as well, which are scattered around the year and in December. And we're all just stuck trying to get through this situation. Now, there's lots of things that do help me, and there's a lot of things that do waste time. For instance, things that help are cutting costs where necessary. For instance, I can't be going out to the soft plays every other day with my son. I can't be buying branded food, not necessarily that I do, but if I wanted to buy something a little nicer, it's not that I could, because I've got to save that money to be able to roll over to the next month. Now, things that are a waste of time, generally, again, branded food, I would say, is one of them, but useless driving around and travelling. January is one of the cheapest months for travel. I don't know if people know this. I have travelled the cheapest in January ever. That is where everything's been cheapest for me. £5 flights, £3 flights. January has always been the cheapest, but on top of the flights, the payment to get to the airport, the hotels or the hostels, wherever you're staying, doesn't matter how cheap you do it, the price still adds up, and that time really you should be using to work and make money. And everything is just, it's soul crushing, because you just want to escape right now. I know I want to escape, that's all I want to do, and I'm sure everyone else wants to escape as well. You will get your electric bill through, and it will absolutely suck, and it's difficult, but we can't panic about it. There's no way of panicking through debt. There's no way of panicking through the credit cards we have to pay off. There's no reason to panic through the Christmas we've just paid out for. We just have to make progress every single day. One thing that I like to do is say it was £300 that I had to pay and £300 that I owed to a credit card, to work out how I'm going to pay it off by the end of the month. I'd break it down into like 30 days on average. That's £10 a day. I've got to make £10 a day. Can I sell something which will get me £10 in a day? Can I go and do some Uber Eats delivery driving, which will just get me that £10 I need? Sometimes genuinely it is as simple as that, and we've got to think outside the box. And I understand you don't want to work outside right now. It's freezing cold. The weather is awful. I'm sure from my memory February's a lot worse. But it's still cold, it's still winter, and we don't want to be out there right now. We don't want to be in the cold territory. So what can we do? What can we do to survive? As someone who's been through a lot, I went through homelessness and everything, I genuinely just spent no money. It is sometimes as simple as that. You want these little joys in life, as I said, like your lattes or your Netflix. I don't pay for Netflix or Disney or Amazon or anything like that because it's stupid. It's expensive. I can't afford that. I don't drink coffee, so I guess I don't have to pay for the lattes. In fact, I saw one the other day, a latte, it was like £4.50. Where are we getting that money from? Some people get these 5 days a week and the finances add up astronomically really quickly. So this January, can we together cut out frivolous spending? I know it's not going to buy you a house. Cancelling your Netflix subscription isn't going to buy you a house, but staying home for a month, just going to work and coming home and sitting there and watching EastEnders. Can't complain about EastEnders at the moment, can we? Oh no. Sometimes it is really as simple as that. Get some board games, play some board games, just spend less, travel less, spend less on fuel. And then slowly but surely we'll all get through this together. And then at the end of the month, when you get paid, everything shall be fine and it will roll over. But then obviously I want you guys to save as much as you can so you're not in this situation next year. I don't want to be in this situation next year. I want to have an amazing income and an amazing life and be able to support my son and just get him everything he never had. And I just want us all to work together, do something amazing together, invest in the stock market, buy some MOG coin. I keep saying that in my videos, MOG coin, MOG coin. It's worth nothing at the moment. It's not my currency. I put 20 quid in it. If it hits £1 a coin, I'm a multi-millionaire. If everyone does it and we get the hype up, we can all be rich and we'll never have to suffer. That's why I keep saying, people, let's do it together. I just want to do it with you guys. I want to succeed with you all. And we're going to get through the January blues and the depression. And I hope no one does anything stupid with the January blues and depression. I don't want to hear any stories like that, but I also do want to hear how you're going. I want to hear if you're struggling. Let me know in the comments below because I would really like to know. Tell me how you are and if you're okay. And not just me, but other people will respond and we can all be there together. We can be a community together. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully we can all survive January together. Adios. I shall see you guys all in the next video, which will be up tomorrow. Goodbye for now.